Ke District Sports Office DSO West Khasi Hills, bat ki bor ke Eastern West Khasi Hills District ha ke khatneu tarik Risaw, ke Sdang ke District Level Youth Exchange Program ba sngi. Halor ke phang, Today's Youth, Tomorrow Leaders, Auditorium Khadsawphra College Mairang. Ke jingthmu jongani ke program ke long ban plie lynti ki khun Samla jongani ke dong ke thain ban pyni paidbah ke sap bapher kum ha ke drodor ke rwai ke siaw ke shad ke kynthih bar ha kiwei ki phang proh jabing. Lengba ke ni ke lumpung ye kenduk lang ki khun Samla le plie ke jingkhang ban long ki bachelor ki banang ban kren paidbah na jong rinsan. Bah J Thyrniang SDSEO Eastern West Khasi Hills District ulalong Kongsan but Deputy Director ke Nehu Yuva Kendra NYK Shillong Bah D Rapsang kumusembot Kongsan. Ke Kong Balarina Syiem DSO kinohikai ber ki kena school kilewan ni shimenta lang kani kesngi. Ki kena school ki belai shimenta ki jing kop bapher ki kynthih ke painting, quiz, science mela, story writing da ke jing shit.
Song number 7. Music, you have to give the name. You have to name the group or the band. Okay, tell me the name of the band or the group. Perfect. To be taking number 1. Pass. The answer is the 5th. Answer is the 5th harmony. Okay. Team B. Choose your start. Team B.
Kibagi bila kita jumpa juga LYK baru untuk jemput. Buat mentaus yang nak sisa nak kalian jauh director nak Delhi wa ai ka instruction ini bagi apa yang lelang bahkan juga kupo bang mimpat day bang sedang ta tabay la efficient program la bang la day jadi saya bilang bang bagi la dia harusnya nak militi kampung di partisipant mulai saya di kepala yang dalam sini cuan atau dalam tonton ini saya jemput awal partisipant. Nomor 8 banyak kolaborasi nanti klub di bapher, but di LSS, but di school and colleges di bapher di badan district. Nomor 9 kadang kami tak topik kebak rumah dan tarik saya sembilan. Nasta kadang kami ipuan na bangun taksi.
Of school and colleges, all distinguished guests, all invitees, and especially you, the student and you, which come from different schools and colleges. It is an honor for me to have this privilege to stand here before you today on this occasion of a district-level youth exchange program, which is organized by the District Sport Officer of West Khasi Hills. As we all know, and we all have heard just now, that youth is not just the future, but they are present. In every part of the world, the youth play a very important role in shaping any society. This program is a platform for you to show your talent and creativity, to share your ideas, culture, and experiences. It opens the doors for friendship that goes beyond your boundaries and your culture. The youth are filled with dream, aspiration, and energy. You have the potential to bring innovation, creativity, and social change. The world is in your hand. And as the touch bearers of tomorrow, you may be an artist, scientist, social activist, or entrepreneurs. Your contribution will bring changes in the society.